known as the land of fire and ice, is a treasure trove of breathtaking travel destinations. Here's a guide to some of its most stunning sights. 1. Vestrahorn. Situated on the Stocksnes Peninsula, Vestrahorn stands out with its dramatic peaks that resemble the Batman logo. Its 454-meter-high summits are beautifully reflected in a black tidal lagoon, making it a favorite spot for photographers. The surrounding area also features scenic hiking trails, a Viking village, and diverse wildlife. 2. Seljalandsfoss. This iconic waterfall cascades gracefully into a verdant meadow, sourced from the melting waters of the Eyjafjallajökull volcano. Famous for its unique vantage point where you can walk behind the waterfall, Seljalandsfoss offers a distinctive view in picturesque surroundings. 3. Vik. As Iceland's southernmost seafront village, Vik is celebrated for its charming church and the nearby Reynisfjara black sand beach. The beach, known for its striking black sand and impressive sea stacks, is a must-see. Vik also provides opportunities to spot puffins, seals, and even whales. 4. Hufrafjall. Located in northern Iceland, Hufrafjall is a tough ring volcano with a striking crater about 1 kilometer in diameter. It's an easy hike with rewarding views, particularly enchanting when covered in snow. 5. Kirkjufell. Often referred to as the Church Mountain, Kirkjufell on the Snæfellsnes Peninsula is one of Iceland's most photographed peaks. Its distinct shape, coupled with a nearby waterfall, creates a picturesque scene that varies beautifully with the seasons. 6. Skogafoss. One of Iceland's largest and most impressive waterfalls, Skogafoss is located near Skógur village. Known for its powerful flow and rainbows on sunny days, it is surrounded by awe-inspiring landscapes, including snow-capped glaciers. 7. Landmannalaugar. In Iceland's southern highlands, Landmannalaugar is renowned for its vibrant rhyolite mountains. The colorful landscape, complemented by nearby lava fields and geothermal hot springs, offers a paradise for hikers and nature lovers. 8. Lake Mavaden. This shallow lake in northern Iceland is surrounded by unique geological features and is a prime spot for birdwatching. The Mavaden nature baths offer a relaxing experience with panoramic views of the scenic area. 9. Vatnajökull National Park. Covering 14% of Iceland, Vatnajökull National Park is home to Europe's largest glacier. The park's diverse landscapes include glaciers, volcanoes, geothermal areas, and mesmerizing ice caves. Jökulsárlón, a glacial lake with floating icebergs, is a notable highlight. 10. Reykjavik. As the northernmost capital city in the world, Reykjavik offers a vibrant cultural scene with museums, galleries, and lively nightlife. It serves as the gateway to Iceland's natural wonders, including the Golden Circle and various geysers and waterfalls. 11. Golden Circle Route. This renowned tourist route spans approximately 300 kilometers, taking you through Ingvellir National Park, the geothermal area in Hákarlur, and the majestic Gullfoss waterfall. It's a great way to experience Iceland's diverse natural beauty. 12. Blue Lagoon. Nestled in a lava field near Grindavik, the Blue Lagoon is famous for its milky blue waters, rich in silica and algae. This geothermal spa is renowned for its soothing and healing properties, with temperatures ranging from 37 to 39 degrees Celsius. These destinations capture the essence of Iceland's dramatic landscapes and unique natural wonders, making it a truly magical destination to explore.